TMC extends full support to BJPs Suvendu Adhikari after privilege motion in Assembly. Leader of opposition in the West Bengal Assembly, Suvendu Adhikari, on Tuesday launched a sharp attack on the ruling Trinamool Congress TMC, accusing it of supporting terrorism and fostering extremism in the state. Adhikari's heated remarks came after TMC moved a motion for breach of privilege in the Assembly against Adhikari for his alleged derogatory remarks against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The TMC party extends full support to terrorism and extremists. People of Mamata Banerjee's party are turning Bengal into a valley of extremists and are protecting them, Adhikari alleged. On Tuesday afternoon, Ministers Chandrima Bhattacharya, Shobhandef Chatterjee, Arup Biswas, and Indranil Sen submitted a notice for privilege motion against Adhikari to Assembly Speaker Biman Banerjee on behalf of the state's ruling party. The ruling party alleged that on Tuesday, Suvendu Adhikari accused the Chief Minister of speaking in favor of Pakistan outside the Assembly chamber. Earlier in the day, the West Bengal Assembly also passed a resolution expressing appreciation for the Indian Armed Forces for their recent operations targeting terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir (Pak). The resolution also condemned the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, in which 26 people, most of them tourists, lost their lives. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee expressed sorrow over the tragic incident and paid tribute to the victims. We do not support terrorism in any way. In Pahalgam, tourists lost their lives. We condemn this incident. 3 victims were from Bengal. During the incident, one Muslim man, Adil Hussain Shah, opposed them and sacrificed his life. We salute and pay tribute to him also, Banerjee said. Swipe left for next video. She also noted that West Bengal was the only state to bring forward such a resolution in its assembly. Just days earlier, on Sunday, Adhikari had also accused the chief minister of shielding extremist groups and anti-national elements, claiming she was providing protection to Jamaat Hefazat and other radical forces. Latest blogs.